All right, so now we're going to talk about rice water. It's the most popular thing on the internet these days about natural hair, and I'm about to give you my take on it and what I think about it. And yeah, all right, you ready? Cool, let's get started. Okay. So because of like the starchy goodness and all the vitamins and stuff that are in rice, white rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, basmati rice, wild rice, Uncle Ben's rice, it's really good for your hair. Like, who would have thought? Well, actually, Japanese and Chinese women have been using it for centuries to have their hair longer than like 6 feet and keep their hair from graying well into like their 80s. So, you know, we're a little behind the curve here, but I'm going to say this stuff is amazing. This stuff is freaking spectacular. I used it for about a week and I loved it. But I'm going to get into that in a second. I'll break down some more of the benefits and stuff from it, and then we're going to talk about how I used it later on in the video. So if that excites you, then stand by. Just wait a second. Just hang out. Okay, so one cool thing about it is it's anti-inflammatory, right? It's antifungal as well, and it helps promote new cell growth. So if you add all that stuff together, right? So antifungal gets rid of the fungus, what did I say? Inflammatory, so you don't have like your scalp's not inflamed, and it grows new cells. That's just an amazing way for your hair to go, and also pretty good for your face too if you spray it on there. Should be pretty dope for that too. Yeah, so I mean, I don't have anything negative to say, just really like a lot of positive things. And I may end up using it in one of my products, like in the very near, like tomorrow kind of future kind of thing, you know, those kind of things. Okay, so people believe this stuff does like a lot of things, like from anti-aging of your face and your hair. Well, I guess if your hair doesn't turn gray to your age. Okay, yeah. Anti-aging, fights split ends, you know, increase your hair's elasticity, strengthens it. It's like a list of, well, it's like 4 things, but it's like a list of things people really believe this stuff does. So this is what, pegged me to try it. And this is how I did it. So I took a little spray bottle, like I got from the dollar store. Uno dinero, one money, right? I took, I think like a handful of rice, put it into a glass, poured water in it, let it sit for like 3 days, right? Then I strained it out, put it inside the bottle. Now, me being me, I added a little bit of extra stuff to it because I'm not a basic bitch. So I threw in some avocado leaves, right? Because I love that stuff. Some vegetable glycerin to thicken it up so it'll stay in my hair longer. Then I applied some rosemary essential oil to it as well, and some Jamaican black castor oil. And that was this temporary little tryout here, and it filled up to about this high. And in the whole week I used about this much. This is how I did it. So I sprayed it in my beard after I took a shower, and I sprayed it in my hair after I took a shower. Then I put my beard guard on right here, my custom beard guard, put that on there, and then I took the shower cap that I also got from the dollar store that's lined with like plastic. This thing's lined with satin, and slept. And if I slept through the entire night and this stuff didn't come off, then when I woke up in the morning, of course, this was still super moisturized, right? Like it was super duper moisturized because there was nowhere for the moisture to go. And then this, the bottom of this wasn't so moisturized because again, it's satin, so it kind of absorbs it. But when I woke up in the morning, my beard and my hair were extremely soft, like so goddamn soft. Like my day started out beautifully, right? And I would run my fingers through it and it was nice. It was really freaking nice. So I got nothing bad to say about it. I really have nothing bad to say. And I love the smell. Like maybe it's just me, but I love the smell of rice. So me smelling like jasmine rice all day really just aroused me. I was aroused all day. Just aroused. Yeah. So try some, get some rice and give it a shot. And if you think I should actually offer what I made as a product, I wouldn't be opposed to doing that, Ooh. Yeah. So that's today, I guess. Rice water. Try some. Make some. Buy some. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll enjoy yourself.